Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, so something like that. After releasing here, you've got the recents, and if you wish you can close all of them one by one manually just by swiping them up. However, if you wish to close all of them with only one click, you can either tap on clear all here or go to the very left and tap on clear all here. It's completely up to you, it works the same. So just tap on it. Here we've got the information, what apps were closed. We can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.